Hi, so I have my Megahome water distiller here and I'm going to clean it, and let me just show you the mineral deposits that are down at the bottom. So I'm going to zoom in and give you a better look at all of the mineral deposits there. So what I'm going to do is basically put about half a cup of vinegar in there and then just fill it up to the top. So you notice I have my gallon of vinegar because I do clean this a lot, and that deposit is basically a month's worth of deposit. So I do have very hard water where I live, and you'll notice that's all I'm going to add there is that amount of vinegar, which just covers the bottom. And what I'm going to do is just pour water in. So I'm going to soak this usually for roughly 15 minutes with the pure vinegar itself, and then I'm going to add water at the top. But since I am doing this video, I'm just going to go ahead and add the water. So what you saw previously was the gunk collected over a month's worth of use. And I'm going to show you the after, which is a very dramatic difference. So this is me soaking my Megahome with basically half a cup of vinegar here. So this is the half a cup of vinegar that I put in, along with half a cup of water. And what I did was I ended up actually soaking this overnight. And you see how clean it is. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use this water and put it in I have an electric kettle. And I'm going to use this vinegar water to also clean that in conjunction with this. So after I do that, I'm going to pour the vinegar water back, add more water to this, and it's going to get diluted, but it's going to fill up to the top here where it's going to clean the top. So in general, that's what I often do. And you'll notice if I zoom in here, there's still some spots here and there, but it's, as you can tell, it's a dramatic difference. Basically, you're completely cleaning the thing where it looks more or less brand new. So don't get discouraged when you see that much gunk at the bottom. It is the case where you can easily just clean it up, you know, just using basic vinegar. And you'll notice how little I've put in. So I did soak this basically overnight, but really after 5 hours or so, it really already gets this clean. Now, I did wipe this down with a paper towel. So that's how it got so clean in the bottom. But overall, you know, that's really what I wanted to show, is the before and after, and how I actually clean it and how clean it gets. And after this, I'm going to pour a bunch of water. Well, I'm going to use this to clean my electric kettle, water kettle, and then I am going to, after I clean that, I'm going to use the same water, fill this up, and clean the top edges. But that's really it. I hope this helped, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.